In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to summarize a website using the Perplexity Comet browser. This is a handy tool for quickly understanding the main points of an extensive amount of text, ensuring that you stay informed without spending too much time reading through every detail. Let's get started with a practical example. First, you'll want to open up the Perplexity Comet browser. Think of it as your gateway to faster comprehension. Once you have the browser open, head over to Google. This is your starting point for accessing any website you wish to summarize. Today, let's say you're interested in catching up on some news from a reliable source, like the New York Times. In the Google search bar, type New York Times. It's a simple step, but crucial, as it directs you to the latest updates from one of the most prominent news outlets. Once the search results appear, look for the link to the New York Times International website. It's usually among the top results, so go ahead and click on it. Now, with the New York Times site open, browse through and select an article that piques your interest. Perhaps it's a feature on global events or an in-depth piece on a topic you're passionate about. Click on the article to open it. This is the content you'll soon be summarizing, making it easier to digest. With the article open, direct your gaze to the upper right corner of the page. Here, you'll find a feature that makes Perplexity Comet browser truly stand out: the Summarize button. It's represented by 3 horizontal lines, a subtle icon that packs a powerful punch in terms of functionality. Clicking this button will activate the summarization feature, condensing the entire article into a few succinct key points. And there you have it. You've successfully used the Perplexity Comet browser to summarize a detailed article, making it much easier to identify the critical information at a glance. This feature is especially useful not only for staying informed, but also when you're dealing with time constraints and need to gather information quickly without compromising on understanding. Remember, this process can be applied to almost any article or web page you encounter, turning overwhelming amounts of text into manageable insights. The Perplexity Comet browser is perfect for students, professionals, or anyone who wants to keep up with current events without getting bogged down by lengthy articles. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to explore more with the Perplexity Comet browser and see just how much time you can save while enhancing your understanding of complex topics. Thanks for watching, and happy summarizing!